How to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80070483. 1. Reset the Microsoft Store app. 2. Run Windows Store apps. Troubleshooter. 3. Run DISM as admin. Command, dism.exe/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Plan B, run these commands as admin. sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthism/online/cleanupimage/check healthism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. 4. Reinstall Microsoft Store using PowerShell as admin. Command, get apps package alias for each apps package disable development mode register $_install location, \appexmanifest.xml. 5. Scan for potential malware on your PC using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 6. Clear Microsoft Store cache by running osreset.exe. 7. Log into the original administrator account. 8. Reset reinstall your Windows.